What's the meaning of collocate? Collocate. Collocate.
Collocate. Collocate. The term collocate refers to the association or grouping of words that commonly occur together in language use. These words have a certain degree of predictability in relation to their collocational partners, and are often used in fixed phrases or expressions. For example, words like strong and coffee tend to collocate together, as do take and a shower. By understanding collocation patterns in language, speakers can improve their vocabulary and produce more natural, fluent speech. In short, collocate refers to the frequent pairing of words in language use, which can be a helpful tool for language learners.